Hi, awesome people. Welcome to our Pets Academic channel. Today, I'm talking about the topic, are American guinea pigs friendly? If you are new to our Pets Academic channel, please subscribe. You can also like and comment on our videos so that we can get to know you better. Consider reading the full in-depth blog post I have written on this topic. You can find it by going to the link in the description. So, let's dive in. American guinea pigs have been a popular pet choice for many years. They are often seen as a friendly and entertaining companion to humans. The question of whether or not American guinea pigs are truly friendly has been debated among owners for some time. What is the temperament of American guinea pigs? The temperament of American guinea pigs can vary from individual to individual. Generally speaking, they are docile and easygoing animals that love to be handled and socialize with humans. American guinea pigs tend to be curious and friendly, but also tend to be skittish if startled. In the full blog post I have written on my website, I have done hours of research and I have written much more details about the above topic and subtopics. The blog article is more than 1,000 words. And I dive into each of the above topics, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about my research on this topic. See you inside the blog post. And let me know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day. And thank you for checking out petsacademic.com.